What's up, everybody? Drew here. Today I'm super excited to announce that the Digi booth that we sell from Photo Booth 101 just got better. You now have the option, let me see if I can get it, to have us customize and custom make your own front. So initially, right, we have the traditional Digi booth right here. It's this design here, the photo booth, a little camera sign. But now, you guys, let me swing the camera around and let me show you exactly what I mean. Check it out. So now, imagine this. You can have your custom owned front for your photo booth. And this one right here has me the most excited because it has 3 different calls to action. Scan me to go to our website, scan me to go to our Instagram, scan to get a quote. And this is really important because at events, people are gonna love your photo booth. They're gonna want info about it. Now, what they're at the booth, right, after they use it, they can just grab their phone, scan it, and then boom, have access to either of these. And then we have one here too, just a different example. One would be just strike a pose, smile, scan to get a quote. And for $13.50, you can get your Digi booth with this custom work, and that would be made by us. And the beautiful thing about it is you'll be able to approve it before we get into production on making your booth. So this is really important, and this is something that has me excited because this is gonna grow your business. This is gonna help you with branding. You can, you don't even have to do these options. You can literally have you can have your booth basically just having the instructions on how to use it. So if you're doing drop-offs, this is so important because a lot of times you may not have place to put business cards, and this is really hard to miss. So, as always, right, when you purchase your booth, it's going to come with the ring light. I just left the light off of these ones just to show you the bottom, I mean. And you'll be getting the new ring light with your Digi booth. Not only will this light here change colors, you can have it bright white, color temperature, and then you have colors with effects, but you can also rotate it. So this has been really important, and a lot of people have loved this feature. And this is the design we have still in stock. So let's just say you still want to save money, you want an affordable booth. We still sell this unit here the same, $1,100. But if you wanted the custom work, obviously you'd have the ring light, $13.50. And we're going to include an extra free sticker for the front, just in case anything happens to your stuff during transport or anything. You'll have a backup here. So before I sign off, I just want to say if you are interested, again, in ordering a custom Digi booth, links to get that will be in the description. My phone number will also be down there, so if you want to send me a text, give me a call, ask some questions, I'm more than happy to help you guys. I'm just so excited to announce this because I know having your own front customized is going to help with branding. It's going to help you get more leads, and it's going to help you make more money, and this is huge. And if you have already ordered a Digi booth from us in the past and you want the front, the sticker, we will still be making the stickers customized to you. Just pay the difference from what you paid for the booth to what we're charging for the customized one. So again, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.